I have a long weekend coming up. Should I plan a quick trip?
Have you considered slow tourism?
Slow tourism? What's that?
Well, let me explain the concept to you in 5 points. Slow tourism is about spending time at a place with the locals and like the locals.
Oh, but how?
One of the best ways to do it is to book a walking tour with a local guide. In that way, you can walk along different streets, getting to know the place as you hear about its history.
Interesting. What else?
Slow tourism is about engaging in some immersive experiences.
Like what?
Okay, let me share an example. On the last day of our Italy trip, we had enrolled for a pasta making workshop. While we learned the traditional way of making authentic Italian pasta, we also learned so much about life in Italy from the chef.
Oh wow, that sounds like an amazing experience.
Here is another point about slow tourism. If possible, spend more time at one destination rather than rushing around from place to place.
That one I get.
Yes, when we just spend one night at each destination only to rush off again the next day, how can we really get to know the place? It's impossible. Slow tourism is also about exploring some lesser known destinations.
How do I find those?
There are 2 ways for this. You could either do your own research and check some alternative travel websites and blogs, or you could come to a boutique travel agency like ours and we would guide you.
That sounds great. So what is the last point about slow tourism?
The last point is the most important. Even though it is not exclusive to slow tourism, it is at the crux of it.
Now I'm curious, what is it?
Mindful travel. And let me explain to you what I mean by that. Mindful travel is about slowing down and being fully engaged in any experience. Opening up all your senses and embracing each moment. Here are the 5 points about slow tourism. Travel Scrable offers you customized tour solutions with end-to-end assistance. Visit our website for more information. Keep traveling, keep exploring.